it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making lemon blueberry muffins. These are super delicious and I highly recommend that you try this. And I can't wait to share this recipe with you. So the first thing that you need to do is turn on your oven at 400 Fahrenheit. First thing that you would need is put in 3/4 cups of milk in a bowl, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and be sure to mix them all together. In a second cup, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm slowly incorporating this in the wet ingredients just so that everything just mixes all up together nicely. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar. Then add in more flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Let's add in the remaining flour. Now that everything is incorporated nicely, I am adding in 1 cup of fresh blueberries. So you can either do this with the fresh ones or you can do it with frozen as well. But if it is frozen, please make sure that it is thawed out first, and then you just mix it in this batter. These go in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven, and also you want that brown color, golden color on top. And this is it. This is my full video, you guys. I'm so happy to share this with you because it was super delicious. Look how beautiful they look. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.